Hey, my doll, so Sugar here. Come at you guys today with a get ready with me to go no damn where, but to the living room. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start carving out my brows. So I have my Ruby Kisses pencil and my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm gonna apply that concealer underneath my brow bone to help me create my shape and my base for my brows. So I'm going to go ahead and add that concealer, blend it out, and then we're going to take our pencil, fill the brow in and blend that out with a spoolie. So as you guys can see, it is coming along quite nicely. Have a very gentle hand. I'm not packing it on too much because I don't want my brow to be too dark. I want it to be nice, light, and hairy looking. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it in with my spoolie and brush the hairs up to, to make it appear that I have a fuller brow. And then I'm going to go ahead with the concealer again to clean it up. And then we're going to blend it out some more. So it's basically, blend, shape, conceal, blend, shape, conceal. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that concealer out. And also when you're blending your concealer out, blend your concealer up and down. That way it blends out nice and smooth and you have a nice smooth base when you apply your foundation. And this way you won't get a halo brow. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that up. And as you guys can see, I am blending it up. And look at the before and after. So I got my brows. My brows do stay on all day. So yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and go into our foundation. Well, before I do my foundation, I'm actually going to go ahead and do my base with a concealer using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer once again. I'm creating my base for my foundation and my eyeshadow. So basically like underpainting, borderline underpainting. So I'm just concealing where I need to conceal, just to hide some of those imperfections. And then we are going to go ahead and blend that concealer out. I love this concealer. It's so creamy and it's very inexpensive. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Colored Rain Beauty Rest palette. I'm going to go ahead and pack the natural eyeshadow, the natural color, and pack that onto my lid so I can create a nice smooth base and canvas. And then I'm going to take the darkest brown in that palette and add it to my outer V and some of my inner crease. So I'm just following the natural shape of my eyelid with a tapered fluffy blending brush. And just, adding little by little, building that shadow up so it doesn't look too harsh and it's nicely blended. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. And all you need sometimes is just 2 eyeshadows and that's it. Very simple look, nothing, hard or anything like that. So I'm just adding my, packing on my color and blending. And yes, my face is swollen. I have allergies and I also have a wisdom tooth that needs to come out. That is being a pain in my ass. But anyway, so yeah, I am going to go ahead and further blend that out. And then we are going to work on our foundation. And so yeah, we are finished with our eyeshadow look. Alright, so now we're going into foundation, Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. I am in Warm Coconuts. I'm going to go ahead and stipple that all over my face and blend that in to my skin. And basically I'm blending and stippling, and then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend that foundation into my skin further. Okay, but, self-explanatory, nothing, hard. I'm not a makeup artist. This is just how I do my makeup. So I'm just blending that in. I'm going to take my blush palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going to go and highlight first. I like to highlight first and then contour. After I highlight, I do go back in with my foundation brush and I blend that highlight into my skin so it doesn't look so harsh. And then we are going to go ahead and contour with the darkest blush shade in that Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to contour. Alright, so after I contour, I'm going to go ahead and blend that in once again so it doesn't look so harsh. And so it looks like I have a nice natural contour, which everybody has a nice natural contour. But you know, we're just exaggerating it. Face is snatched. Now we're going to go ahead and actually, you know, I'm going to go ahead and put some more concealer on top of the foundation because my bags are showing through. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that concealer out. And then I'm going to use my setting powder by Black Opal. Love this setting powder. It's nice and it doesn't leave a flashback, which I do love. And so I'm going to go ahead and push that into my skin and then just allow it to sit and do its thing. So I have the perfect foundation for my liner. Okay, I love this liner. Very, very, very pigmented, and a little goes a long way. So I'm just following the natural shape of my eyelid and creating a nice wing liner. I'm using a very steady hand. I ain't talking to nobody because they already know my house. If they see me doing eyeliner, don't bother mommy. But anyway, I'm just following my natural eye shape and taking my time to do this liner because y'all, one wrong move can make you look like Amy Winehouse. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I have some nice, smooth, seamless lines. Then I'm going to go in with that brown again that I used in my crease to line my waterline and to complete my eye look. And then we're going to go in with some mascara. And we're going to line the top and bottom lashes with the mascara. And yeah, I like this mascara. It elongates my bottom lashes with no problem. And it also gives me a nice full set of lashes. So I am going to go ahead and continue with the mascara. And then now we are going to go in with our lashes. We're going to get our lashes prepped with the lash glue and let them sit and get tacky. And then after we prep our lashes, we're going to move to our lips. I am lining my lips with a dark brown liner. Then I'm going to use a nice nude lipstick from Wet n Wild. And I will leave all purchase and product links in the description box. So self-explanatory, I'm just cleaning up that liner so it doesn't, you know, so we have a nice clean set of, you know, nice smooth application for our lips. I like this nude lipstick because it's not, you know, super duper pooky looking, okay? And very brown girl friendly, as you guys can see. And it has a nice natural little gloss to it, so yeah. We got our soup coolers done. We're going to apply our lashes now. I use tweezers to apply my lashes. And as you guys can see, the difference between a lash and no lash, baby. Okay, look at that. Oof. Yes, honey. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and continue applying my lashes. And boom, this is, you know, the look. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Follow me Facebook, Instagram, Aya all day, both platforms. Definitely check out my other videos, and I will talk to you dolls later.
White folks, gangsters in the door, hey baby. Stun with a stack of them jewels, hey baby. Riding in the lack with a move, hey